You raised them with love, but now they barely listen. So how did respect fade? And can you truly earn it back in your 60s? Welcome to a journey many parents never expected to take, regaining the respect of their grown children. It's not about control, it's about connection, influence, and dignity. If you're in your 60s or beyond and feel that your children no longer hold you in the same regard, you're not alone. But here's the good news. It's never too late to turn things around. In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful, research-backed, and heart-centered strategies that can help you earn the respect you deserve without force, guilt, or conflict. Let's begin. 1. Rebuild the bridge, not the pedestal. Let's be honest. Parenting doesn't end at 18, but neither does it stay the same. Many parents fall into the trap of expecting lifelong obedience or reverence simply because of age or authority. But here's the hard truth. Respect isn't inherited. It's maintained. In your 60s, you no longer need to be a ruler. You need to be a guide. Start by rebuilding the bridge, not climbing back onto a pedestal. This means listening more than preaching, asking more than instructing, and understanding more than judging. If your adult children feel like they can't speak freely around you, they'll begin to shut down or shut you out. Instead, invite their perspective, even if it's uncomfortable. Say things like, "Help me understand how you see it," rather than, "Back in my day." Respect isn't regained by demanding it. It's inspired by demonstrating humility, wisdom, and openness. 2. Set boundaries, not barriers. There's a big difference between healthy boundaries and emotional walls. Some parents, when hurt by disrespect, retreat or become cold. Others go to the opposite extreme, trying harder to please their kids in hopes of buying back love or attention. But real respect begins when you respect yourself first. That starts with clear boundaries. If your child speaks to you in a harsh or dismissive tone, calmly say, "I want to talk with you, but I need us to speak respectfully. Let's try again when we're both calm." You're not being dramatic. You're setting a standard. Boundaries teach others how to treat us. And even if your child resists at first, deep down, they'll know you mean what you say and they'll admire you for it. Just remember, boundaries are meant to protect relationships, not sever them. Be firm, but remain open to connection. 3. Apologize for the past. Even if it hurts, this might be the toughest step of all. No parent is perfect, and even with the best intentions, we can leave behind wounds, emotional absences, sharp words, or decisions that left a lasting impact. If your adult child is disrespectful, they may be reacting from unresolved pain. That doesn't mean you're a bad parent, but it does mean healing must come before honor. Take a deep breath and be willing to say, "I've been thinking about how I might have hurt you in the past. I'm sorry for the ways I failed you. I want to understand your experience." This isn't about shame, it's about courage. Owning our mistakes doesn't diminish us, it dignifies us. In fact, studies show that when older adults acknowledge past parenting missteps with sincerity, it often leads to greater emotional closeness and renewed respect from grown children. Remember, you're not asking for pity. You're showing maturity. That's real strength. 4. Speak their emotional language. Here's a secret few people talk about. Respect is emotional before it's behavioral. Your child may not respond to titles, tradition, or age-based authority anymore, but they still crave emotional connection, even if they don't show it. So learn to speak their emotional language. If your child values honesty, be radically transparent. If they value time, offer presence over presence. If they're more private, give them space and respect their independence. And most importantly, when they do open up, listen without interrupting or correcting. That one act, being fully present, can melt years of built-up tension. Respect follows when people feel seen, safe, and heard. 5. Become someone worth looking up to again. Age doesn't automatically command respect, but growth does. Ask yourself, who have I become in the last 5 years? Many children lose respect when they feel their parent has stopped growing emotionally, intellectually, or spiritually. It's hard to honor someone who seems stuck, bitter, or disengaged from life. The antidote? Become curious again. Take up a new hobby. Learn something unexpected. Join a class. Volunteer. Write your memoir. Start walking every morning. Let them see you thriving, not surviving. When your children see that you're still evolving, they'll naturally start to see you in a new light, one of strength, wisdom, and vitality. Remember, a growing parent inspires a growing relationship. 6. Let go of control. Embrace influence. This is where many parents get stuck. You might be thinking, but I know what's best for them. That may be true, but here's the reality. Control kills respect. Influence invites it. The older your children get, the less they want to be told what to do, and the more they want to choose who they listen to. You can't force them to respect you, but you can live in such a way that they want your guidance. That means letting go of manipulation, guilt-tripping, or conditional love. It means trusting them to make their own mistakes, just as you did, and being a safe place when they need you. Influence is quiet power. It's not loud. It doesn't demand. It simply shines, and others are drawn to it. So, if you're in your 60s and struggling with children who no longer seem to respect you, don't lose heart. This chapter is not your end. It's your evolution. Respect isn't something we're owed. It's something we earn, even later in life. And earning it doesn't mean changing who you are. It means becoming the best version of who you've always been. Let your children see your strength, not in control, but in compassion. Let them witness your wisdom, not in lectures, but in how you listen. And let them feel your love, not as obligation, but as presence. You've spent a lifetime giving to your children. Now give them a reason to admire you all over again, because it's never too late to rewrite the story. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone walking this path. And remember, respect begins with how you treat yourself. Thank you for listening.